Alright, so we are creating a new document, 18 inches by 18 inches. Now the first thing I want to do is create a gradient. I'll place it right here. Now the next thing is to bring in our image. So I'll create a new layer below and take my brush, decrease the size, make sure that black is on top, then click once. I'll press Ctrl T. I'll go ahead and lower the opacity. Very good. So the next thing is I'll select my custom shape tool, then select this shape, and I'll drag. Right. Now I'll fill. Then I'll duplicate it, then duplicate another one here. Alright, so I'll select these two. Alright, then take away the fill and give it a stroke. Alright, it seems I selected all the three, so I'll select the middle one. Alright, and now I'm gonna duplicate this layer and bring the duplicated one on top of the shoe or the sneakers. Alright, then I'll deactivate the fill. Alright, then clip the top arrow and the bottom arrow so that it could be moved anywhere. Alright, so that's that. Then quickly we'll go ahead and add our text. Let me change the font size and the color. Alright. Then I'll duplicate this. Alright, then I'll double click this area. From the stroke, I'll take it, then come back to blending options, then lower the fill opacity to 0. Alright, and I'll come back to stroke and lower the size of the stroke. Alright, so that's okay. I'll grab my text tool and drag over this space. Alright, so the next thing is go back to our shape, our custom shape tool, then select this guy right here and drag over a space here. Alright, I'm gonna add a text. I'm gonna change the font to this guy. Then I'll go for the ellipse tool. So for this side, I'll go for the rectangle tool. Drag. Alright, so I'll go back to my custom shape and then grab the arrow. Change that to white and place it in here. Now the rest is easy. I'm gonna grab my polygon, click once, then select the size, the number of sides, 3. Right, so I'll delete the first one and drag my own triangle. I'll select the first one, then select this, then link them so that I can drag them here. Alright, so there we have it, and the only thing left is to add some glow effects. Alright, so for that I'll go on top and create a new layer, change it to linear dodge, right, and pick the brush tool. I'm gonna select this color. Alright, so I like this guy. Then they come this way, click once, then I'll go to the bottom. On top of the gradient, I'll create a new layer, change it to linear dodge, and then sample this color, increase the size, and click once. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.